Looking to upgrade your bathroom experience? In this video, we're exploring the top 5 Toto toilet seats of 2025, rated for comfort, smart features, and compatibility with modern toilets. Starting our list is the Toto Washlet C2. This elongated electronic bidet seat is one of the most popular and well-rounded options on the market. It offers a heated seat, warm water cleansing, and an adjustable warm air dryer. What really makes the C2 stand out is Toto's e-water plus technology, which self-cleans the bidet wand after each use using electrolyzed water. Add to that the air deodorizer and the pre-mist function, which sprays a fine mist into the bowl before use to help prevent residue from sticking, and you've got a seat designed for hygiene, comfort, and convenience. The control panel is mounted on the side, easy to operate, and the build quality feels sturdy and premium without being overly bulky. For anyone making the leap into electronic bidets, the C2 is a fantastic entry point. Next is the Toto Washlet C5. Think of the C5 as an upgraded version of the C2, with all the same core features: heated seat, warm water wash, dryer, pre-mist, e-water plus, and deodorizer, but with the added benefit of a sleek, wireless remote control. This remote not only frees up the side of the toilet for a cleaner look, but also offers more precise control over spray type, temperature, and positioning. The C5 is ideal for families who want a cleaner aesthetic and more customizable user preference. It's particularly popular among households where multiple people use the toilet and want to save different wash settings. It's a user-friendly, high-performing unit that combines hygiene technology with modern design. At number 3 is the Toto Washlet A2. While this model doesn't have all the bells and whistles of the C2 and C5, it offers excellent functionality for the price. It includes a heated seat, temperature-controlled water for cleansing, and a self-cleaning wand, all packed into a slim profile. The A2 is ideal for anyone who wants the essential features of a bidet seat without spending extra on things like a dryer or remote. Its contoured seat design also provides enhanced comfort for longer sitting periods. It's a practical, streamlined choice for people who want reliable performance without complicated settings. The A2 proves you don't need to spend a fortune to dramatically improve your bathroom experience. For those seeking luxury and advanced automation, the Toto S550E Washlet is hard to beat. This top-of-the-line model includes every high-end feature Toto offers: a heated seat, fully customizable warm water cleansing, warm air drying, e-water plus self-cleaning wand, pre-mist function, automatic air deodorizer, and even an auto-open and close lid. Yes, the lid lifts as you approach and gently closes as you walk away. It also features a soft glow night light and a slim profile that blends seamlessly into any bathroom decor. The S550E also includes a sleek, wall-mounted remote that gives you full control over every function. If you're willing to invest in comfort and luxury, this model delivers an unparalleled user experience that makes your bathroom feel more like a spa. Rounding out our list is a more traditional option: the Toto Soft Close Elongated Toilet Seat. This isn't a bidet, but it's still one of the best basic toilet seats you can buy. Its soft close feature ensures the lid closes gently and quietly, eliminating accidental slamming. Made from high-impact plastic, it's durable, easy to clean, and fits most standard elongated toilets, especially Toto models. It's a great choice if you're simply looking to upgrade your current seat for comfort and quality without adding electronic features. Sometimes the best upgrade is the one you didn't realize you needed until you stop hearing the lid slam every day.